All right, so you need a big bar, okay? You don't need to lower the subframe, nothing. I have the screws loose at the top. I have the strut attached to the spindle. I started in the CV axle into here, okay? So you just give it pressure. And you can see that you just got to get it in there, okay? That's it. That's all the techs need to do is get it in there, and then we're gonna wiggle it and get it started in there. This just takes a bit to get it in there, but it's mainly because of this. Voila. All right. So if any tech tells you they can't do it, I did it by myself, one-handed, okay? She is holding the camera. You just get a pry bar, you pry it down, you get it in there. So show your folks who are installing your lift kits. This has got the 1.5 inch spacer on the top, and that's how you do it. Even if you have a 2 inch spacer, that's all it is. Bend this down, everything will be fine. You can feed it right in there, okay? Now we're going to reassemble. Cut. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, leverage. Right here, big ass pipe. So you pop that buddy in there like that, and voila. See that come down? All right. What? All right, see how that's down there? So once you put the lift kit in there, you tell your dudes at your shop to get themselves a big ass pole for leverage, okay? And that's how you do it. So don't have your shop tell you can't do this. You can. You just get a pole. Actually, you can get a pole about this long and put up in there. Jack handle usually works really good as well, okay? And now I'll take the last bolt.